Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to explore a new thing that the Gemini-3 is now available publicly. So once you guys were done with 2.5, all the different models, right? So comparing to all the things is like in a cloud or any kind of model, Gemini is giving one of the very good import and the models that are very realistic and analytic purpose. So now let's explore how the Gemini-3 is working. So in Gemini-3, so let me try to build a model with n8n. So if you guys are new to n8n project, so then see my first lecture so that you guys able to understand more on the things. So today I have already installed n8n, so I have just given npx n8n start. So this will just open the browser that I am showing here. So similar to this one, you guys will be able to get a complete workflow. So here if you see, there is so many things that we can add here. So if we go into AI, the AI agentic mode, so this is general kind of AN. So this is a anthropotropic, so this is a cloud type model. So OpenAI, Gemini, so everything is there. So in Gemini, we can see the analyzing audio, that transcribe the recordings, analyzing document, upload a file, analyze an image, generate an image, and message a model, analyzing video, generate and download a video. Many things are now available. So we already know the Gemini is giving anything. So now even the Geo subscribers are getting Gemini for free. So you can, if any of the subscribers are having Geo SIM, then you can also avail it. So I also tried that one. So I'm waiting for the response from them to get them. Please subscribe and make a show interest that then they will contact you and they will give you the subscription for free. So which is for 18 months, 1.5 years. So don't miss those opportunity. So in this one, so let's take a analyzing model thing. So if we get into the thing, we can analyze any kind of model with using this. So let me build a model. I have given a input that it is a thing. So I gave an on form submission from here so that we can execute any kind of submission that we are doing. So I have already uploaded an image, that is one of my image that I am having. So where I have given some this is the image I am uploading here. So this is one of the thumbnail I have previously used. So this is for Gen AI Elite course, which is for dynamic test plan creation with using n8n and my name and my symbol of my channel. So I'm uploaded this and I have made this as a binary file. So whatever thing I made change is that I have given a file name which is an image and record field. That's only I have done here. So I have uploaded and now we are able to see the data here that is in binary format. So that is good. So then we already know this one that we have to create a API key here. So the API key can be created from the Google AI Studio. So where you can use you can create any kind of API keys from here. So once you have created, just add a new credential and add your API keys here. And the resource name need to be same like this one because we are uploading image. So we are uploading image thing here. So we are using Gemini-3 Pro preview model. So which is one of the latest model that is available from today only. So we know that the file is in binary format. So I have chosen a binary file format. And this data, the input data name need to be matched. So here that is the name is image. So the image is also mapped here. So this is how. Then if we execute the step, then that is clearly showing that the image is a digital graphic featuring text and logo on a dark red background with the diagonal pattern, and here's the background of the content that it is showing that is a Gen AI Elite and AI native engineer series and dynamic QA test plan generation. If you see, it have decoded perfectly. So even it is decoded the background. So what are the text present here? This any model can do, but I can see some quite extra patterns like here. The background image, the text details are not available in other models. So comparing to those things, now the Gemini have improved. The Gemini 3 has very good capabilities to do this thing. So I could see the theoretical and the creativity has been increased somewhat here in the Gemini 3 Pro preview model. So please try use this and comment what are the experience that you are using. So not only the analyzing image, even you can give your audio like in the thing many things is available. So these are already existing. Now the only thing is there is the model 3 is now available, the Gemini 3 is now available. So you can even give the analyzing audio. So in this one you can just give an any kind of audio that is an input, and then you can execute the step to get the analysis of the video. So not only this, even you can try many more things like in order to file analysis, any kind of things that you can do. So Gemini, if the 3 model you have to try difference like 2.5, which is a very old model that is available so long time. So Gemini 3 is now trending the trend. So if you guys need to try it, please try to analyze all the things and please post the changes that you are facing in the comment section so that everyone can be able to know it. So if you guys need to try another models like OpenAI also have that. So in OpenAI also you can choose it. So if you guys OpenAI used to analyze the OpenAI model, here you can see what are the different types of model that is available. So similar to Gemini 2.5, Flash and those things, yes, there will be some models will be available. Currently I think it's not loading, may some authorization error. So please try with the other things also like cloud audio analysis, image analysis, and video analysis. Many things are available. So please try to explore all the things and post the difference that what you are facing in the comment section, so that we will be noting and we will be observing all the news. So I hope this is very informative for you guys. So don't miss the opportunity to use the Gemini 3 model. As well as if you are a Geo subscriber, please try to show interest in your My Geo app, so that they can provide you the 18. I think that is some 36K of worth of subscription to US for free. So please try to make use of all the things so that you can explore the AI in the next 18 months. So please like, share, and subscribe the channel, so that I will be motivated to post more videos like this. Thank you. Share, guys.